So we have to our WBAP Severe Weather Center with our Chief Meteorologist, Brad Barton. Hi, Brad.
Stop it.
Brad?
Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. New severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued now for Tarrant and Dallas counties until 9:45. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County and for southwestern Dallas County until 9:45. The severe thunderstorm complex is located over Cedar Hill State Park or near Grand Prairie and is nearly stationary, producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southeastern Tarrant County and southwestern Dallas County until 9:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.